Hi, I'm Jamie and this is my mum Shemin, and we make a range of paste, spices and breads that you can use to make very authentic and quick meals at home. Today we're using the Soup Chef and we're using our Massaman curry paste.
So the Massaman curry paste is a mixture between an Indian curry paste and a Thai curry paste. So instead of using, say, ginger, we use galangal and lemongrass and tamarind. Basically, it's really a great fusion between the two pastes, and it makes great curries and it makes great dal as well. You know, with a twist, of course. Dal is normally Indian, but we use the Massaman just because everything in the Massaman fits very well with dal. So now we're going to make the dal.
Firstly, we're going to fry the onions on saute mode. Press the button on the edge here. Okay. So then we're going to put some oil in here, and then we're going to put the onions in.
And then the special bit of salt to make it brown quicker, or even. In this case, you don't need it to be brown, you just need it to be softened, and that will make it soften quicker as well.
They're quite soft now.
Next we have the red lentils. It can be a mixture of lentils as well. But in this case, we're using a red lentil because it's also very good and very fast to cook, so it's quite nice to have if you want a quick soup.
Yeah.
So the next thing we want to do after we put the lentils in is put the coconut milk in, and then we're going to use half the Massaman paste.
So we're going to put half in.
Stir it in so that it mixes well. And the next thing we put in is the cauliflower, yeah?
Okay, so we'll put that in.
Okay, so we've just put a little bit extra water and half a stock cube, a vegetable stock cube, to bring it up to the minimum line. And then we'll just close it up and let it cook on chunky for 25 minutes, I think it is.
So we've got the lid on now, so now we're going to put it on chunky. So press mode twice and then start. Now we're going to give it a quick whiz.
Yeah, we've checked and the cauliflower seems to be very tender. So if it's not tender for you, you need to cook it for a little bit longer. But as soon as the cauliflower is tender, then you need to whiz it, and Jamie will do that now.
Okay, so press the mode button until we get to smooth plus. And then select.
That's it.
Yeah, so that's whiz now. So now we're going to take off the lid. There we go. And now we simply just pour it into the bowl.
As you can see, that the dal comes out really creamy because of the cauliflower and gives it a lovely flavour.
We're just going to sprinkle some garnish on top, some coriander.
Nice, huh?
Voila!
Yeah, exactly.